children. I hope you all are safe and secure at your home. Without wasting our time, let us start our day with today's thought. Always desire to learn something useful. It means we should always desire to learn something useful. We should always try to learn something useful which will be helpful for you in your life. So, you learn the useful things. Children, in the last period, we have seen the first part of chapter number 15, Young Brave Hearts, regarding the Mahika Gupta, how she got the Bharat Award. Today, we will see its second part, that is of Shubham Santosh Chaudhary, who was honored with Sanjay Chopra Award. We will see about Sanjay Chopra Award in brief. The Sanjay Chopra Award and the Geeta Chopra Award were established in 1978 in the memory of two Chopra children who lost their lives while confronting means facing their kidnappers. These two children were kidnapped and they lost their life while facing their kidnappers. The Sanjay and Geeta awards are given to a boy or a girl for acts of bravery. So, here Shubham Santosh Chaudhary, he got the Sanjay Chopra award. Now we will see for what he has got the Sanjay Chopra award in this chapter. Sanjay, sorry, Shubham Santosh Chaudhary from Maharashtra has been given Sanjay Chopra Award for his exemplary courage. He was on his way back from school on 11th August 2013. He saw that a van had burst into flames on the national highway. A crowd had gathered, but they were watching helplessly. Shubham rushed to the vehicle and tried to open the door, but the handle was too hot to hold. Shubham quickly broke the van's window and unlocked the door from inside. There were two girls in the van. He pulled them out of the burning van and saved their lives. So, this is the story of Shubham Chaudhary. So, Shubham Santosh Chaudhary from Maharashtra was given the Sanjay Chopra Award for his exemplary. Exemplary means providing good example for people to copy. So, he has provided such an example which people should follow. So, he has got the Sanjay Chopra Award for his commendable courage. On 11th August 2012, Shubham was on his way back from school. So he was coming back from his school and he saw a van had burst into flames. Burst into flames? Can you see in the picture? The van has burst into flames. Burst into flames means caught fire suddenly. So, the van had burst into flames on the national highway. The people were gathered and watching burning van helplessly. Helplessly means wanting to do something but not able to do it for some reasons. So people wanted to help but they were not able to help the burning van. But Shubham rushed to the van. But Shubham didn't watch here and there and he rushed to the van and tried to open the door. So he went near the van and he tried to open the door. But the handle of the door was too hot. Too hot means it was very hot to hold. Because of continuous fire, the handle of the van has become very hot. So he broke the van's window and unlocked. Unlocked means opened the door from inside. He pulled out the two girls who were inside the burning van. So he immediately opened the lock, opened the door, and pulled out the two girls who were sitting inside the burning van and saved their lives. So, children, have you seen how he shows his courage? Many people were standing over there, but no one showed the courage to do something for the burning van and the two girls inside the van. But Shubham showed his courage and he saved both the girls. Every year, National Bravery Awards are given to young children for their outstanding deeds of bravery. These children present inspiring examples for other children. You can read about their acts of courage in the newspapers or on the internet. So, every year, National Every year, National Bravery Awards are given to young children for their outstanding performance. Outstanding means extremely good or excellent deeds of bravery. So, every year, national awards are being given to the extraordinary children who show the excellent deeds of bravery. These children present inspiring Inspiring means encouraging examples for the other children. So, children, if you want to know about their acts, you want to you want to know about their acts of courage, you can read it in the newspaper or on the internet. If you type on the internet National Bravery Awards, you will find their deeds or you can read about these kids. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Written by Nelson Mandela. So this is a thought or this is a quote written by Nelson Mandela. So Nelson Mandela rightly said that the brave man is not he who does not feel afraid. So that person is not brave. You can't say that if a person is afraid of something, he is not brave. But one who conquer means overcomes the fear. It is not like that the brave people, they don't feel fear or they are not afraid. They are also afraid, but they conquer their fear, or you can say they overcome their fear and do the bravery deeds. Children, I hope you have understood both the stories of Mahika Gupta and Shubham Chaudhary, and you will learn from them to show the act of braveries. Now let's see the meanings. The first one is exemplary. Exemplary means providing a good example for people to copy. Number 2, burst into flames means caught fire suddenly. Third one is helpless. Helpless means wanting to do something but not able to do it for some reasons. Fourth number, outstanding. Outstanding means extremely good or excellent. Inspiring means encouraging one to do something. So these are the meanings of the hard words. Now it's your homework time. You have to read page number 33 of your English textbook and write down meanings in your English copy. Children, you have to complete this work and we will see the question answers in the next period. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.